Slow drains, sewer backup. Most homeowners and business owners wait too long and end up paying way more than they should. Crest Plumbing is Barnegat and Ocean County's trusted local sewer and drain specialist, serving both homeowners and businesses just like yours. We handle everything: clogged drains, sewer backups, routine cleanings, and emergency repairs. Our licensed team shows up fast, works clean, and gets it done right the first time. With years of experience serving Ocean County, hundreds of satisfied residential and commercial customers trust Crest Plumbing, licensed, insured, and ready when you need us most. Same-day service is available. Call Crest Plumbing now or click the link below. Don't wait until a small problem becomes a big one.